Why the Elgato HD60 still slaps in 2025. Don't ditch your console setup yet. Ever feel like your streaming dreams are dying a slow death? Like every time you try to go live, your tools glitch, the gameplay stutters, and your motivation crashes harder than your KD ratio? We've all been there, stuck in the content creator loop of trial and error, wasting hours just trying to get basic stuff to work. It's draining. You're trying to focus, trying to create magic, but instead you're stuck troubleshooting, rebooting, rage Googling how to fix lag again. If that sounds like your daily grind, we need to talk. Because let's be real, those tech fails add up. Missed deadlines, botched streams, corrupted files, viewers dropping like flies. That low-key burnout, it's real. Whether you're prepping for a big launch, juggling streaming in real life, or just trying to finally go viral, nothing kills momentum faster than unreliable gear. The anxiety of not knowing if your capture card will hold up tonight? Brutal. And don't even get me started on the guilt from wasted creative energy. You deserve better. And now you've found it. Enter the Elgato HD60, your new creative lifesaver. This compact beast gives you flawless 1080p 60 capture, buttery smooth instant game view, and true pass-through with ultra-low latency, so you play and stream with zero lag drama. USB 3.0 speeds plus plug-and-play simplicity equals no more sync nightmares. Works like a charm on PS5, Xbox Series X/S, Switch, PC, Mac, all the big names. Slide back in time with Flashback recording to save those epic moments. Whether you're on OBS or Elgato software, it just works. No fluff, no fuss, just clean, stable, gorgeous video. But don't take our word for it. Thousands of creators, from fresh streamers to seasoned vets, can't stop raving. Near zero latency, super easy setup, awesome quality, and plug-and-play dream. Even Games Radar and PC Gamer still recommend it in 2025 for its rock-solid performance and unbeatable value. Streamers love how it just works, right out of the box. No insane tech learning curve. And despite newer and pricier 4K options, the HD60 is still a crowd favorite for 1080p focused content. It's like that trusty sidekick you didn't know you needed, but once you have it, you'll never go live without it again. Ready to upgrade your game? Don't wait, limited stock is moving fast. Thousands have already made the switch. Buy now, secure your setup, and never fear a scuff stream again. Whether you're just starting or ready to level up your content, this is your sign. Act now, lock in your gear, and own your spotlight. This is your moment. Don't let it glitch away. Tap that buy button and stream like a legend.